Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be going over a trade that I took on the Micro NASDAQ, and the date is September 2nd, 2025. So let's get right into it. So as we can see here, we have the daily chart, and price has just kind of been consolidating, not really going anywhere. And as of yesterday, Friday, we were actually kind of bullish, but we closed very heavy red. But we did maintain this gap. Now, in today's overnight session, we sold off pretty heavily in the London session. And as you can see here, we did move down quite a bit, close to 300 points in the London session. And I was very, very bearish today. Now, what I was looking in particular was two things. The first being this 1 hour SIBI right here. And the next was this Fibonacci. So if we draw the Fibonacci, actually, that's the wrong one. If we draw the Fibonacci, we can see that price did in fact move into premium. And once price moved into premium, I was looking to target this low right here. Now, price moved up pretty heavily in the New York Open. 10 a.m. happened and we just kind of consolidated. But I was interested in the setup because we had already hit the point of interest, which is that 1 hour gap and this premium, right? So I was looking for price to go from premium back down to discount. Now my entry mechanism was a 1 minute gap. So I'll go ahead and highlight that here. And this is it right here. So what I was looking for was a strong close underneath, and then I wanted to get long on the very next candle, my stop at the top, and I wanted to just aim for 2R. Now, I'll go ahead and show you my executions right here, and as you can see, I was able to get 2R. Now, if I would have aimed for this low right here, as you can see, it would have never gotten hit. So that's why for me personally, I just like to go for 2R, get my money, and then just get out. So that is my trade, guys. So pretty much three things. I'll go ahead and write it right here. We had the 60-minute gap. We had a premium, and the entry mechanism was a 1 minute inverse gap. So pretty easy, guys, nothing too crazy. For me, trading works best when I keep it very mechanical, when I have rules, when I abide by them, and it just works so much better. So if you found this video insightful, if you learned anything from it, please give me a like, please give me a follow, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.